What is an autonomous workplace assistant in 90 seconds? Autonomous workplace assistants, or sometimes called digital assistants, are systems that can independently perform tasks and interact conversationally with employees to help them get their work done. These AI-enabled tools aren't replacements for actual administrative assistants. They're more at the level of a summer intern, but they're great ways to help people get more done. Think like Siri or Alexa, but purpose-built for work. Common tasks for these tools include scheduling meetings, managing task lists, drafting emails and documents, and finding information. Advanced systems can integrate with workflow tools and databases to perform more complex tasks. For employees, these tools can increase productivity, reduce human error rates, and allow them to focus more on their higher value work. Because these assistants are available 24/7, they're especially helpful for new employees who may not be familiar with all of the workplace processes and procedures, or know where to find information, enter tickets for services, or submit requests for approval. These tools may struggle with complex information, subjective decision-making, and understanding workplace culture and politics, so they still need careful supervision. And because they may be accessing sensitive company information, they also need to be thoughtfully configured so that employees only see the information that they should. Adding more granular and nuanced security controls is one area that these tools are continuing to develop to make them more effective at complex tasks. As technologies like generative AI improve, you can expect these assistants to collaborate better, perform more sophisticated knowledge work, and understand context, all with the goal of making employees more effective and satisfied with their work.
SPS, the power of possibility.